Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today in Forex live trading session, we are going to discuss share and trade. Alright, so yes, hi Hubert, Carol, Flora. Nice to see you here. CK, Roger, Sabrina, Aiden, Bradley, GU. Dobro jutro. Oh, Carol, nice to see you here. Yes, okay. Alright, now let's see. What do we have here? Can I have my MT4 please? Alright. So now let's see. Show up what do I have to focus today. Alright, Aussie Yen. Let's take a look at Aussie Yen now. Alright, Aussie Yen is reaching my resistance level. So hang on. Alright. So that's nice. Alright, hi Manwai. Nice to see you here. Okay, so yeah. Hopefully today the sound is good. We tried over the weekend. Okay, so yeah, we just need some testing and to find out what's the issue again. Alright, so nevertheless, okay, if I have some distortion, do bear with me. Alright, thank you so much. Okay, so 今天晚上我在这个8点钟 ，OK， 北京时间8点钟的，我会在线上跟大家一起分析这个整个星期的走势，所以请大家敬请留意啦。OK。Alright, so let's come back here in English session again. Okay, so yep, Aussie Yen, we are waiting for it to test on the resistance now. Okay, so I think hang on with that right now. Okay, so hopefully this will actually come with a resistance. Then after that we will see what to do with that. Okay, so once again, okay, the pound franc, alright. Pound franc over here, alright, pound franc, let's see what do we have here in pound franc. Well, tentatively for pound franc, we hit on the support, right, last hour, and it got the rebounds back. So this is something that I'm looking out for, which I wanted to break the support level before I take action, okay. So over at this point here, we are pretty near to the support, so we got to be very careful, alright. Now, looking at this level, okay, the resistance level over here seems like it's still on the trending market right now. Looks good. Wow, I heard the distortion so fast. Okay. Well, guys, hang on with me, alright? Okay. So yeah, let's move on. Pound Yen. Okay, let's take a look at Pound Yen now. Okay, Pound Yen at this point here. Pound Yen at this point, at this level, we are still pretty near, right, to the support level. So we got to be very careful. Okay, with this Pound Yen here, right? So at this point, okay, just hang on for it to break the support level before we take action. Okay, all right. Okay, so now how about this pound dollar? Let's take a look at pound dollar. Pound dollar today looks like we are in this area. Okay, pound dollars. We are still working hard on to surface out a bear. All right, for selling. So tentatively, it is still not there yet. Okay, so just hang on and wait for it to happen first. Okay, currently it is still not advisable yet. Okay, not advisable. Yep. Okay, so yes, now let's see. Okay, over at this point here, all right. Over at this point here for pound dollar, I'm waiting for pound dollar to get out of this zone. Okay, to get into the zone below here, so that I will have a better opportunity to sell very safely. I will say that. Okay, so yes, and tentatively still respecting the support and still hovering around this area. Yes, hopefully that we can see that hopefully we can see there's a downtrend selling, so that sellers will be able to continue the selling for pound dollar. All right. Okay, seems like over here the resistance stands the same, no change, and been tested once last week, and now we are still back here. Looks pretty good. Okay, it looks pretty good. So currently still waiting for the right opportunity. Okay, still waiting for the right opportunity. if Bradley, if you are going to sell it now, okay, I guess tentatively this is the resistance that you're looking out for, am I right? Around this area. So if there's any selling opportunity, I guess over at this point here, I guess most likely we can go for about another 18 pips, okay, of space there you can see, right? So and now at this moment, I think it's coming soon, but then we still, because I'm looking at the selling cycle over here. Okay, hi May, 你好, hi May May, 你好. Right, so over here, as we can see, okay, this point here seems like we still have to wait for a correct one. Okay, this is not strong enough. All right, this is not strong enough for now. Okay, so yes, yep, yes, Riano. All right, Riano, taken the profit over the weekend for this crypto, and it's really nice. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so yes, over at this point, okay, I heard some distortion. I hope my voice, when it turn ET, it will not turn too long. Okay. All right. So yeah, just hang on. Okay. Yeah, and tentatively by looking at this, okay, and what we are looking out for, pound, dollar, currently still and moving, still moving upwards, still moving upwards. So currently, if I'm going to watch out for this, okay, resistance level is still the same, no change. So allow it to test on the resistance first, which is about 40 pips away. All right. So I think that will be much easier. Okay. All right. So yeah. So let's take a look at others. Pound yen, pound franc. We are all moving towards the resistance to retest the resistance. Okay, so before we actually start selling. Okay, all right. Okay, so yeah, this is one that we have to, for the pound. Okay, I think today we may experience some buying first. Okay, then we will meet up with the resistance. Then perhaps we have a good chance to sell. Okay, all right. And now, yeah, euro dollar. Yes, Fernando. Yes, Fernando. Euro dollar. What is that? Euro dollar. I'm looking for selling, and it seems like we are still in the support region that I'm able to sell. Okay, so right now, okay, the region, yes, you are right. Okay, currently we are still very near to the support, which is not a very good it's not a very good place to sell. Okay, so when the price, normally for me, when the price comes to the region of the support, usually I will wait for it to break the support before I actually execute my trade. Okay, yes, right, yes, Roger, or Roger type in Mandarin. 是的，今天晚上在马来西亚时间8点钟，我会在线上跟大家一起分析这个整个星期我会关注哪些货币对。好 ，OK， 8点钟，OK， 好的，在这里，对，就在我的这个 YouTube 里 ，OK， 好的哈 ，OK。我的中文进步了，是的，我要多说哈，多讲就会进步了，对不对 ？OK， 谢谢你。Okay, so yes, come back here in English once again. All right, Euro dollar, tentatively by looking at the situation here. Okay, it will be still in the support region that we may okay want to see that it will start to test on the support. Okay, we may want to see that it will test on the support. Okay, all right, so let's take a look. Okay, yeah, let's take a look first. No hurry for that. Right, yeah, that's right. And yes, Sabrina, yeah. Okay, let's see, what do we have? Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, right. Alan also say pound dollar. Okay, let's see. Pound dollar. Wow. Okay, respecting the resistance level here. Okay, so well, Wow, okay, started to sell. Oh, wow, okay. But hang on first. No. This is not very. No, I think earlier on, like over here, or at this point here, when I say that it may still go back to retest the resistance. Am I right? But looking at this point here, right now, after the 1 hour opening, now the 15 minutes has comes in. For the past 15 minutes, it went up to retest and it got rejected. Okay, so probably this is only rejections over here. Don't rush into any trade yet. Okay. No. Please try not to rush into a trade when you see candle like this. Okay. Yeah. Today, I guess Euro may have movement because of the Germans. Okay, because of the Germans over at the other side of the world. There, Guten Morgen. Right. So yeah, Hubert was saying that today Germany is having something on. Okay, so be careful with euros. All right. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So we have because I'm not there. All right. By the time I receive the news, perhaps it may be a little bit late. Am I right to say that? Okay. So yep. Just have to it's good, nice to have people from Germany to update us. Okay, so yep, let's hang on first. Since the pound over here is right now the pound, right? We're looking at the pound. With this, probably is going to take out this level. Okay, where I will see that this level, right? The lowest is over here. Okay, so tentatively, I guess let's wait for it to take out the low. Okay, then probably from there we may set up another resistance over here. Okay, then retest with a lower resistance to appear. Then after that, selling is very promising. Okay, selling may be very, very promising. Okay, right. Yep. Okay. Hang on first, I will say, because right now I see that this level, can you see this level? Right, and this level here, it seems like it's going in a ranging position. And at this hour, usually, okay, such movement will be in a consolidation. Okay, yeah. Right, so pound yen, yes, okay, pound yen, we are coming back to retest the support once again, just like pound dollar. All right, so yeah, and today, hang on first, okay, just let you guys know, okay, just a reminder, right? This reminder is not to ask you for like behind the effort, okay, behind the video, okay. Okay, this is going to be on the 27th, okay, on the 27th, some maybe in the midnight, morning, or in the afternoon. Okay, we have the interest rate release. Okay, we have interest rate release. So yeah, just take note. Okay, just take note. Right, interest rate release. That's right. So the date will be on the 28th of July in the morning. All right. Okay, the FOMC federal rate. Yes. Okay, so just pay attention. So these 2 days. Okay, these 2 days when we are trading, okay, so we just need to pay attention, a little bit attention to this to the movement, okay, that we are going to trade. So it may give some 7 p.m. on the London time. Yes, correct, that's right. Okay, yes, yeah. Okay, so yeah, so on this move right now, by looking at pound dollar, okay, so this area may have higher support. Okay, this area, yeah, right. So right now it's building up. Okay, this area. Okay, so currently, yes, just be very mindful with this movement here, right? Yeah, and we are prices is going to be affected by the euros right now because I guess in Germany here we are looking for a political policy that actually helps the economy. Ah, I see. Okay, right. All right. Yes. Okay. Hi, Jay. Nice to see you here, Jay. GJ and AJ both look good. Wait for sell. Yes, that's correct. Okay. Let's look at pound yen first. Pound yen, let's wait for it to form a new resistance first. Okay, and I'm waiting for a new cycle for selling. And for Aussie yen, okay, Aussie, something is moving right now. Okay, Aussie right now, okay, it is still at the verge of testing first. Okay, so tentatively still not there yet. Okay, so hang on to wait for the testing of the resistance, so that it's quite near. All right, very near already, so just hang on. All right, pound franc, where's the resistance? Okay, let's take a look. Pound franc over here. All right, I'm looking at the pound franc. One resistance will be up here around 1.15929, 1.15929, around that area. It depends on your platform. Okay. All right, so you'll be able to see at this point. Excuse me. Right. Okay, so you're welcome, Carol. Right, so over here the resistance is here. Okay, once the resistance here, we can also look out for scalping when it forms a selling cycle around this area. Okay, we have one minor resistance over here, one minor resistance over here. Okay, where I see that this is not really very strong resistance. Okay, at the moment. Okay, at the moment, because the cycle has not really tells me that it is strong enough to sell. Okay. Hi, good afternoon, Sanjeev. Nice to see you here. Right. Okay, so still waiting. Yes. Okay. Fernando, yep. Where is the euro dollar? Euro dollar, it can be very the resistance is over here. However, by looking at euro dollar, I'll be looking out for buying. More than selling at the moment. Okay, right? Because as I can see over at this point here, okay, we are just getting out of the bear. Okay, going for a bull, but the bull is not that strong again because meeting up with the resistance here. All right. Okay, so at this point here, right? Level here. Okay, hi Forex New A. Today pound dollar pivot point. Let me see. Okay, at 1.1994, 1.1994. 1.1994 over this level. Okay, then first resistance is at 120.06. Okay, so it's about here. And stronger resistance at 1021. Okay, 1021 here. Okay. Right, okay, so this level. Okay, so guys can take a look, okay, with this level. Okay, so let me blow it down lower a bit, okay, because more or less the same. Okay, so yep, and right now, okay, so yep, Okay, right now pound euro dollar, right? Euro dollar. Okay. Euro dollar, I think perhaps we have to hang on for a little while first, okay? Because right now I see that the movement here doesn't seem like there's a very good signal yet. Okay, so tentatively, just hang on first, okay? Yep, just hang on first because currently by looking at this point here is it seems like it's still on the way to retest the support. However, okay, it is not that clear yet. So I'm still waiting for a clearer one. But if it's going to test on the support level, that means a selling down to test the support level here with about 20 to about 35 pips. This range a bit, I would say a little bit difficult. Okay, a little bit difficult there. Yeah, right. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen over here we still have about 22. Okay, 22 pound yen. All right, seems like still pretty good. Okay, pound yen. So by now, hang on. Okay, pound yen, I would say that just hang on first, okay, because right now for pound yen at this point, it's we should be looking at this way. I'll be looking at this way, support and now higher support with a higher support down here. Correct. So I would like to see one very clear selling signal first. Okay, then right now if I'm talking about lower resistance over here, coming soon I would say, but not there yet. Okay, so at this point hang on first. All right, if you are going for a scalping, yes, I would say a 10 pip is still all right. Okay, but we are very near to because right now the support, okay, this ground is like a burning flame. Okay, and the flame, I would say it reaches here. All right, so it will come very near, like say when you reach here, you may feel the heat. Okay, so hang on first, allow it to give more space. All right, allow it to give more space. Okay, allow it to give more space before we enter for a trade. Okay, yeah, I think it's also much safer that way. Yes. Okay. Yep. Yes, correct. That's right. Okay. So yeah, just come. Yeah. Correct. No worries. Just voice your view. Okay. Just voice your view over here. Okay. Yeah. All right. So at this point here, all right, pound yen. Okay. Pound dollar. Yes, what is it about pound dollar? There's a long wick below. It seems like the buying is very strong. Yes, correct. Okay. Am I right to say that at this point of time buying is promising? I would say that tentatively, if you are a scalper, yes, I would say that tentatively you still have around this area, 20 pips around there. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Yes, we can look at that. Yeah, but buying is possible right now for pound dollar. Pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. If we are going to scalp, if we are going for an entry, the scalp will only have giving us only about 15 to 16 pips. About 15 to 16. Yes. Okay, 15 to 16 pips. Yeah, so you have to grab it before it. Okay. Right. Okay. Yep. Yes. Yeah. FOREX new for pound dollar will not buy until it breaks the pivot point. Yep. Okay. So about this level, am I right? Okay. Okay, over here. So this is the area. Okay, so yep. I'm sorry, we have to bear with it first. Okay, so in case because my guys are still fixing up, we have doing a lot of recording, sound recording, and testing. Okay, so just hang on with that. The mic is perfectly okay, but I think it's something went wrong with the platforms. Okay, so yeah, the guys are still trying to set it up. All right, so sorry, but thank you very much for letting me know. Okay. All right, so right now, okay, let's see. Pound dollar looks like there's a rejections here. Okay, so right now, 30 minutes. Well, okay. Now pound dollar, I think yes, pound dollar. Pound dollar for selling here, we have about, like I say over here, we have about 10 to 15. Okay, so but it's still very tight here. I think we have to wait first. Okay, just hang on. Okay, just hang on first. All right. Yes, hang on first, guys. Yep. All right. Looks like good to sell. It looks like okay, but now still hovering there, but not there yet. You know, so currently, okay, I'm still waiting. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for a good chance, but not now yet. This is not a very good chance yet. Okay. Yep. And yes. Okay. So at this. Over here, alright, Euro Yen Monday, so I'm not going to rush trade. Yes, correct. Just hang on first. Okay. Anyway, if we are going to sell pound dollar, okay. Yeah, like Forex New Way was saying that too early to sell. Yes. Try to wait for it. For pound dollar. Am I at pound dollar? Okay, I'm waiting for it to reach the resistance level here, around this level. Okay, around this level here. Then I think there will be a better selling point. Okay, there will be a better selling point. Right. So yeah, now above 120 at least. Okay, 120. So we still have about 20 pips to go. Okay, 10 over pips. Not 20. 10 over pips. Just hang on first, okay? Right, so yeah, and what are we looking out for over here? Aussie Yen, okay. Aussie Yen, same thing, okay. Aussie Yen is coming to the resistance level. I guess are still good. Okay, hang on. Yeah, hang on. I'm going to sell when it touches the resistance. And see how is it going then before I take action. Yeah. Okay. Yes. All right. Okay, that's good. Okay, so สวัสดีครับโอมสบายดีไหม Right. So let's see. A lot of patient pays today. Yeah, we have to. Okay, better that way. Yes. Thank you all. Couple makrab. Helping me to share. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, so let's see for Euro Yen at this point here. I won't say that Euro Yen is not good to sell, but the thing is that because as we can see the support is too near. All right, we are looking at about only 18 pips, 18 pips, and if you're looking at the whole charts here, all right, we are now seems like it's setting up for a higher support here. Okay, not unless this one okay start to sell off. Okay, started to sell off, retest again, then over at this point here, This will be the selling point. Then I will start selling here. Okay, then that will be good. That will be a better entry. Yeah, for me. Okay, yes, that's for me. All right. Okay. So at this point here, okay, by looking at this, okay, we are now looking at this euro yen, but euro yen have to be very careful because at this point now, at this point over here, we are in the best starting to sell off. We are in the best starting to sell off. Okay, but the thing is that okay, if you are looking at the whole stretch here, we are actually now setting up a higher support. We are now setting up a higher support. Yeah, so at the moment, okay, at the moment here, I would prefer to wait. Okay, I would prefer to wait for euro yen, perhaps the second half of the day or maybe tomorrow. Okay, so that it will give me a better, clearer vision of where it will be going before I take action. Yeah, that's right. That's correct. Yes. All right. So yes, coming back here. Okay. Yeah, coming back here. Pound franc. Okay, let's take a look. Pound franc. Okay, pound franc once again. All right. I'm still waiting for it to test on the resistance. Still not there yet. Not there yet. Not there yet. Correct. Okay. Okay, so yep. As for buying, will that be going anti-trend trading? Likely. For pound franc, right? Yeah. Yes. For at the moment, but if you are scalping for a buy, I think we still have about 22, but not advisable. Not advisable. Yeah. At this range here, okay, over at this point here, okay, then this range here is not something that really good for buying for me if I'm looking at this. Okay. Yeah, yes, that's right. Yeah, it's no, hang on first. No, I don't see that no, I don't see there's an opportunity there. Yeah. Opportunity is not there yet. Basing on the just now what you have sent me, right? And don't, yeah. Okay. This is something that we should be taking a look. If you are trading on 25 lots, sorry, 2.5 lots now, okay, I would say that currently, it may be something that a bit too big, right? A bit too big. Okay, it may be a bit too big. So this is something that you may want to take a look. Lower down a little bit. Okay. Okay, lower down a little bit. Yeah. And let's see. Perhaps I'll be looking at let me see the calculation. 18, 18, 18. Okay. Okay. Yeah, probably you have to wait for the 18. 18. Okay, so yep. Alright, so yes, EA, EN are not on your list. Why EA and EN, why not on your list? Okay. First of all, Euro Aussie right now, okay, at this point here, okay, by looking at this Euro Aussie, first of all, I see that in the Euro Aussie here, okay, it's actually moving towards the bull and now coming back the bull for a pullback, and it's very near to the support level. Okay, it's very near to the support level over here. Okay, so I am not looking at this. For Euro Kiwi, okay, Euro Kiwi is in the bull, alright, it's in the bull and testing on the support, so ready to go for a buy very soon. So I wouldn't want to trade. This is to what I have read just now. This is tentatively is still on the pullback. Okay, it's still on the pullback here. So the support is also at this point is very near at this area. So I'm not very comfortable in trading selling. Okay, so that's the reason. Sorry for the distortion again. Okay, right now the 200-day SMA on the 30 frame spot, and this is for pound dollar. Okay, yep. Pound dollar is still being supported, huh? Okay. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, so tentatively, that's the reason why I don't really encourage for a selling for this EA and EN. Okay. All right. Okay, so euro dollar. Okay, let's take a look at euro dollar. Euro dollar right now, okay, it seems like it's still coming back to retest the support here. Okay, space is tight. Okay, if you want to scalp this, I don't really encourage that. Okay, but I think this area here may be somewhere not very not very convincing for me to sell. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No. Okay. Yeah. I'm not very comfortable in selling this. Yes. Pound franc still okay. Pound yen okay. Buying still possible. The buying still possible. Okay. No, I mean the buying is still ongoing, sorry. Okay, so tentatively for selling, it looks like it's going to happen on the second half of the day. Still there, it's still there, yeah, okay. So at this point, quite high up, huh? Okay, still quite high up. Yeah. Dollar CAD. Okay, let's take a look at dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. Okay, let's see. For dollar CAD over here. I would say that dollar CAD should be a buying. Okay, dollar CAD is a buying. All right. But then again, now it's coming back to retest on the resistance, as a support. So let's wait for it. Let's wait first. Okay, I will see that I wanted to wait for this buying signal above this level. Okay, above this level, then I will go for a buying. Okay, but now there's no buying signal yet. Okay, there isn't any buying signal. Yes. Guys, sorry, just hang on for a while. Okay, anyway, it's not important. Okay, so yep. No. I'm waiting for this area. Okay, I'm waiting for this area. Okay, to form up a new buying signal, like example, like this. Okay, like this. A buying signal above here. Okay, so currently it's retesting, so I'm not going to touch this first. Yep. Okay. Okay, let me grab something. Yep. Okay, so that's for dollar can. Yeah. Caro, you're looking for a buy, then hang on first. Okay. This is not there yet. Okay. Dollar can. If I'm going for scalping, okay, probably I have only 8 pips, 9 pips, 8 to 10, maximum of 12. No. Okay, it's testing daily opening now. Yep, that's right. So I won't. Yeah, I prefer not to. Okay. Yep. Dollar yen, no. Okay, dollar yen is a no here. Still on the buying side. Okay, dollar yen, no selling. All right. Okay. Yep. Okay. Just hang on first, guys. Okay. Hang on. Sorry. Give me. What is that? Okay. Sure. How Frank over here? M5. Right now, okay, if I'm looking at this pound franc, okay, pound franc, by looking at this over here, in the M5 right now, it may still have a good chance at this level. Okay, in this level, like this candle is going to build out another higher high. So tentatively, it's still not good for selling yet. Okay, I want it to break into this level first to form a lower resistance, then I will start selling. Okay, but if not, this is tentatively, this area is not very good yet. It's not very good for selling yet. Yes, it's not good for selling yet. Okay. Yes, that's right. Yes, there's a news coming in 10 minutes. 10 minutes time. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, and yeah, just hang on first. Okay, just wait. Okay. Yeah, and well, Probably it is not there yet, I would say. Okay. Powcat. We're talking about Powcat, right? You are discussing about Powcat. Powcat. No. Pound dollar is good to buy. Pound dollar is good to buy. Pound dollar right now, yeah. I think the buying after retested and respecting the support level here started to buy right now. Resistance over at this level, yeah. One more this level, okay. Okay, like you're saying, this level. I think I will wait first. Not much space anyway. Yes. Today we are playing a game. Okay, this game is called Patient Game. Okay, a game of patience. So yeah, just hang on first. Yep. No, I think this is somewhere in the mid. Okay. Somewhere in the mid here, usually it don't give me a very good confidence for me to sell. Neither for me to buy. Yeah, exactly. So just hang on first. I will prefer to wait. Exactly. Yep. Selling now. Can I do a scalp from here? Okay. All franc TP 21 pips. Okay, nice, good job. Okay. You know how to capture, huh? Very good. Okay, that's good. All right. So still on the buying side, huh? Pound franc to, yeah. If you know that we are waiting for this. Okay, for people who are good at pullbacks. Okay, good. Okay, that's good. And okay, 4 minutes to go. Right, another 4 minutes to go. Hang on. Looks like it's giving a selling opportunity there because of blah 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 blah. Oh, okay. Yep. And what are we looking for? Congratulations, Caro. Over here, okay, right here, okay, we are looking at this point here, okay, for pound dollar. Okay, tentatively, one level here that the buying may be coming again, right? I mean, sorry, to set up support, higher support here, higher lows, okay. Okay, unless, okay. Unless there's a selling opportunity below here, tentatively still looking for a buy first. Okay, it will still escalate. Escalating is still possible, right? Yep, that's right. Okay, we have our 3 minutes. Okay, so 3 minutes. For now, yeah. For now, no, I'm still waiting for this pound dollar. Still waiting for the testing of the resistance first. Same for pound yen. Okay. I could wait up to 1159, but 20 p is my usual take. Nobody went bankrupt taking profit. Nice. Okay. All right. Okay. So yeah, I guess guys, would you mind to give me a 5 minutes? Okay, let me quickly, since there's an impact news here, so we are not going to enter any trade. Okay, so just give me a while. Okay, 5 minutes break. Okay, while waiting for me. Okay, yeah, do support my videos here. Okay. All right, so I'll be back here 5 minutes. Okay, a 5 minutes break. Okay, I will be a quick one. I just going to refill my water. Okay, thank you very much. Alright, so yes, I'm back here. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so hi Hugo, nice to see you here. Where are you from, Hugo? Someone new here. Okay, so the German info business. Okay, let's come back and take a look. Well, so I think there's not much. Okay, there's not much impact here. So yes, let's see. Okay, what do we have? Okay. Now we are now looking at this Still waiting for it to test. Okay, hang on first. All right. How frank looks like this hour. I hope the ET sound goes away quickly. Okay, and yep, Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen. Aussie yen, okay, coming near, very near. All right, Aussie yen is we are now coming near to the resistance level. All right, so let's see at this point here. Okay, this level, this level. Tentatively not yet. Okay, tentatively not yet. Not good to sell yet. Since we are entering into the H4-hour session. So let's see what's the changes. Okay, at this point. Okay, so for what is that? For pound franc. Okay, take a look. Pound franc. Pound franc still escalating. Alright, still going for one resistance there, up there. I think pretty good. Okay, so let's move as fast as possible and to test it. So the next hour is not breaking, then selling signal comes in. The next hour, then we will have a good selling. Okay, we'll have a selling experience here. Okay, pound yen, same. Okay, it's still the same. Right, pound yen. I'm looking out for a selling, okay, because tentatively looking that pound yen is going for something interesting here. That selling is possible for a lower resistance going to form. All right. So if this lower resistance going to form, perhaps we can see the selling opportunity. Okay, a selling opportunity. Yeah, but just hang on first. We have to assess the situation later on. I cannot predict. I cannot predict. Okay, I'm always reading according to what the current situation show us. Okay, yep. All right. So yes, pound dollar as the same thing. All right, pound dollar. Yep. Yes. Okay. So tentatively for pound dollar, same thing. Pound dollar, we are still looking at this point. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, looking at this point. At this point, still a long way to go, man. Okay, about 17 to range of 38. Wow. Okay. So just be patient, guys. Okay, just be patient. Right. Pound yen pivot is at 163.831. 163.831. Okay. About here. Okay. If selling GJ, at least put RSI with 50. Selling only once it goes below the 50 line. GJ, huh? Okay. RSI. Yes. It's not time yet. Okay. Hello, Ahmad. Nice to see you, Ahmad. Okay. Okay, I heard some distortion. I'm sorry, guys. I hope now the distortion should go away. Okay, so well today. Wow, today. Yeah. So, how dollar to buy when it hits the resistance? Not now. Okay. Yes, Ahmad. Yeah, we are trying to fix the issue, right? So. Okay, I hope now it's better. I don't know. Sometimes it comes in a while, then it will go. Okay, if it comes in a while, we just pause. Okay, I just pause for a while, and I'll come back. Okay. Testing. Sound test. Sound test. Sound test. Sound test. Mic test, sound test, sound test, sound testing, sound testing, sound test, sound test. We are waiting, so nothing to do. So okay, sounds like it's okay now. All right. Okay, so yes, at the moment, not yet. At the moment, okay. So see for Euro Yen, okay. Earlier on, I was saying that this may not be a good one to sell yet because of the support level. Went down, test and being supported, it is still quite strong there. So that's why Euro Yen is not really good. Okay. Thank you, Sajiv. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you, Ahmad. Right, so right now, I think we still have a long wait. Going to be a long wait here. Okay. Right, Aussie Yen. Okay. So for Aussie Yen over here, Aussie Yen. Well. We do have Aussie Yen, and looks like we may be coming for selling soon. Okay, Aussie Yen. Right, for me, okay, I'm looking at Aussie Yen this way. All right, Aussie Yen, all right, supported over here, and then coming for another higher support, another higher support. Okay, so another higher support again to retest. Okay, so right now, at this point, there may be another higher support building up. Okay, so Aussie Yen, so just take note. Right, at this point here. Okay, so once again, at this point here, pound yen sell off. Even for small sell, maybe 20 pips. Okay, yeah. Since we have tested on this, right, this level of resistance here. Okay, then over at this point. Okay, so there may be a chance. Okay, but just take a look at this area. Okay, this may be one. This may be one. Okay, this may be one level that it may be building a higher support here. Okay, so just take note. All right, so from here to here. Okay, and also okay, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar as well. All right, so pound dollar, looking at this. Okay, this level here, so we may be able to sell for a little bit, like a Forex New Way was saying. Okay, and just take note. Okay, just take note of the area that may become a support there. Okay, so yep. Yes. Okay, so right here. Yeah, just take note, just take note. Okay. Currently, yep. But if you have not entered, do not enter. Okay, if you have not entered, do not enter, because over here at this point here, there's one may push back. Okay, may press down. Okay, yep. And from this level, about 28, about 20, 23, not 28, about 20, 28. Yep. So yeah, but in this whole area, okay, this area may be a higher support in M5 to be built up. Okay, this area will be this area. Okay, right. Order flow FX. Nice to see you here. Are we selling these pairs now? Pound yen already sold, so if it's not advisable to enter now. Okay, it's very tight of the space here. You have until roughly this area. Okay, so not much, about 10, 15, another 8 to 10. I see. Not really. Okay, it's not much left. Okay, unless it can break through, but tentatively it seems like in this area is still going for a higher support. Okay, a higher lows is creating a higher lows in this area. All right, creating higher lows in this area. Okay, so if we have not sell these pairs, then no. Okay. Yep. Okay. If it breaks the area of creating a higher low, if it continue the selling, I would say yes. Okay, if it breaks into this, if it breaks into this area, breaks below this area. Sound test. I want to see that this area. Okay, I want to see that this area. Okay, Carol, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, so this area, then we have a lower resistance once again. Then I will start selling here. Okay, for this. Okay, for pound yen. Okay, so one more lower resistance, then I can start selling here. Okay. ET, yes, what is that? Looking for sell GU between 1 GU sell between 12018, okay, 12018, yes, and 12030, 12030, 12018, oh sorry, 12018, 12018 or 12030, okay, 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 yes, yes, yes. Okay, good. Thank you, BT. Okay. So currently, this for pound yen. Okay, if you're looking at pound yen, one level here, then another level up here. Pound dollar. Okay, one level here, another level up there. Okay, I'm looking at this. Right. So at the moment, yep. All right, so this is what we are looking out for. Yes, correct, that's right, all right, yep, that's right. So at this moment, at the time here, since looking out for selling here, okay, then I will just stay put first. Yes, I will just stay put first. Okay, yeah, just stay put first, no worries. Okay, for me, yep, I'll just stay put first. And right now, okay, like Forex New was saying that we may have short-term selling for about 20. Okay, so that is somewhere there, huh? Okay, close all trades. Okay, good. Congratulations, I am finished. It does well today. Good luck. Okay, right. Okay, so at this point here, okay, yeah, and by looking at this now, well, still on the way. Okay, I just need to take note about pound dollar, like this area here, right? This area may have a higher support. So once again, if this higher support, okay, if this higher support has actually breakthrough, all right, breakthrough, then with another lower resistance once again tested, okay, then we may be able to sell from here. Okay, all right. Yep. And yes. Okay, I will sell GU Jason. Hi Jason, where you from, Jason? GU 199.65. 199.65. Okay, let's see. 199.65. Well, I think it's around this area. Yeah, I will start selling around this area as well after it went down. Okay, if there's a lower resistance, a lower high created in around this area, 199.65. Yes, then I will start selling there, because in this area, okay, it may create a higher support, which is a higher low, may go for a higher high to test the resistance up here. Okay, so at this point, because if I want to sell, if I'm looking at selling right now, okay, if I'm looking at selling for pound dollar around this time, I will want to wait for it to break the level first to have a lower resistance before I start selling. If not, okay, if not, then this is something that I won't be looking at, because it will still be buying onto the resistance. Okay, it will still be buying onto the resistance level. Okay, all right, yeah, that's correct. Okay, yes, Taro, 5 million yen equals to 36 USD. Yes, okay, Forex New Way said that he make a 5 million, okay, yen, which is about 36k USD. Very nice. Okay, yes, that's correct. Okay, all right, okay. Okay, Sabrina, yeah. Sabrina, yes. For pound dollar, actually the selling seems like it's a trap. It keep giving us selling signal, but there isn't any good sign of selling. Buying is more optimistic. Again, I would say that yes, I would say so. Right, I would say so because tentatively at this moment, all right, tentatively at this moment, okay. I still see that you see there's a lot of buying signal, okay, buying coming in, you know. So currently, I don't see any selling yet. So for the moment, okay, for the moment, I will prefer to hang on first. Okay, I'll prefer to hang on first. Yeah. Usually I will prefer to sell. Okay, I prefer to sell when when the selling actually the selling trend is very clear. Okay, right now at this point here is like yes and no. Yes and no. Yeah. Okay, guys, if my sound started to get distorted, I will pause for a little while. I will give you a hand sign. Okay, I'll give you a hand sign. All right. I mean for myself, I can hear. Okay, I'm hearing it myself as well. Okay. Right. So bear with me because my guys are still and from a team of Restream is also very hardworking, trying to iron out what's the issue. Although we are tested for the last few days, okay, over the weekend, yeah, but then again, it's still giving me this issue. Okay, so this is what you meant by, yeah, this is what I meant by building up a higher support here, a higher lows, higher low, correct? So as you can see, any higher lows over at this point here is always on the buying side. Okay, it's always a sign of buying from the market. Yeah. Okay. Yes, and that's one. Okay, for pound dollar. Okay. Because we are looking at this level, am I right? Okay, there's one level here also. Okay, this one level here. If I'm putting back here, you can see that. Okay, you can see that. You see, it's a previous support become a previous resistance will become a support. So now it is testing on this support. Okay, it's testing on this support. That it may form a buy signal that it will continue the buying. Yeah, that's why I'm talking about this area. Okay, yeah. All right, so pound yen. Okay, so pound yen over at this side here. Pound yen. Okay, so now pound yen is so much better. Okay, pound yen. The example like this, it has tested on this resistance. Am I right? Okay, it got rejected. Correct. Good. Now, if you are looking back here, go down to the lower time frame. I see the one rejections. Right, selling off, and now over at this area here, it builds up one higher support, but the higher support went up but got rejected. Now you see the rejections here. This is what I'm looking out for, which is good. Okay, this rejection is good. So now it's coming to form a lower resistance than the before, correct? So pound yen we may have a good chance to sell. Okay, pound yen have a good chance to sell. Right, pound dollar or pound yen may feel nice rejection. There's a rejections, okay, a little rejections there, but not yet. Okay, but if you are talking about rejections from the support, yes, it's rejected from the support. Okay, so looking out for a buy at this point, but now it's coming back here to retest the support once again. Okay, so pound yen may be a better one. Okay, pound yen may be a better one. All right. So as for pound yen, yeah, but the pound yen just have to be very careful because we are now in the H4 hours. So pound yen, we may have a selling opportunity all the way about 20 pips, 20. Okay, as of now, we have about 26. So less off a bit, should be about 20, 18, 15 to 20. Yep. Pound yen. Okay, we have about 3 minutes to go. Observe the 3 minutes. Let's see. Okay, let's see how it goes. Pound yen. Right now we have looks like we have a very good selling opportunity. Okay. But just be careful because over at this area here, there may be another higher support that may be built up. But it may have some turbulence there. About 15. Okay, once you reach 15 pips, that's why I say 15, about 15 to 20. Okay, yes, about 15 to 20. Okay, yep. So at this point here, it may hover around for a while. Okay, it may hover around for a while. Yep. Oh yeah, let me. Okay. Okay. Pound dollar. Okay, let's take a look. Pound dollar. Okay, so pound dollar looks good now. Okay, looks better also. If pound dollar, okay, if pound dollar, I think pound dollar for selling will be meeting up with this level 12 pips. Looks good also. Not one turbulence here, then 24. And 24. Okay. 12 and then a total of 24. You may meet you may meet up with some turbulence at the 12. Then if it's continue to selling, then it will go for 24. Okay, 24 pips. Okay, right. Pound yen. Pound yen looks pretty good. Hi Henry. Henry Siya. Where are you from, Henry? We have a new name here. Okay, pound yen, hang on, not yet. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, so yep, this is the area here. Okay, let's hang on. Okay, Hugo, can you use Chinese stock to pound yen? Harisiya, what is that? P-E-R-A-K. Hera, is that Malaysia? Is that Malaysia? Hugo. Pound yen. Okay. In Chinese. 好，可以。Alright, give me a little while. Okay, let me use Malaysia. Oh, Haris. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Can you understand Chinese? Harry, can you understand Chinese? Malaysia. Saya tak boleh cakap Melayu. I think so. I think it's like that. Okay. Only English. Oh, I see. Harry. Okay. That's good. Okay, then Hugo was saying, let me talk. Let me explain in Mandarin for Hugo for a little while. Alright. 好啊，用中文。OK， 我可以试试看。OK， 可以，没问题。OK， 这个棒日 ，OK， 棒日的话呢，目前现在其实是在看着它。我在等着它先去尝试突破这个压力位置。不过如果现在它有尝试过一次，有被反击 ，OK， 有被反击这个，所以呢，在这一段呢有被反击一次。那么现在有一个更低的一个压力位置，是一种显示出有一个在做空的现象，但是不能做空，还不能做空啊。OK， 现在暂时还不能。因为现在我在看着它的是，它在等着它呢，在这个范围底下 ，OK， 价位到了这个范围，差不多163589的范围，那么我们到了12个点的空间，我们有12个点的空间，就有可能会有一个做空的现象，总共会跑差不多20，这里 OK guys， 抛烟 OK 会有做空的现象，差不多12个到20个点 OK 抛烟alright 抛烟looks like selling opportunity is coming OK we have about 15 to 20 max OK you can sell for 15 to 20 but not now hang on a little while more Okay, once I see a lower price, and I will go for it. Okay, so as for pound dollar, this area, okay, this area is where it will start. I will wait for it. Okay, I'll wait for it. I'll wait for it to retest, and then I will start selling. Okay, that's for pound dollar. Okay, I'll wait for retesting first. But we have only 25 minutes. Okay, we only have 25 minutes to get out of our trade. Okay, 25 minutes because the next H4 is going to open very soon. Right, the next H4 is going to open very soon. Okay, right. So 棒美不是棒美，棒热啊。OK， 抛烟，棒热。OK， 棒热。棒热在这里的话呢，有一个差不多有一个15到20个点的空间。OK， 棒热啊，棒热。OK， 棒热。Pound yen is now better because of pound dollar need to retest first. Okay, but more for pound yen. I'll be focusing pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Right, pound yen. Hang on first. Pound yen, I'm waiting for. Okay, I'm waiting for the price to come into this area because this area is the area that it may set up for a higher support like this. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm using 4 Meta 4. Yes, Henry. I'm using Meta 4. Okay. Isaac. No GJ, no, I'm not selling yet because this area is an area that it will form a higher support. So I'm still hang on first. Okay. I'm still waiting. The price must come below this area or set up another lower resistance, then I will start selling. Okay. What's the difference between is the upgraded version, okay, and for Meta 5, okay, more coding, okay, more coding can be added. Then also, but the Meta 5, there's nowadays a lot of people are using Meta 5 for shares and stocks, okay, indexes of these indices. So much more people using Meta 4 for forex trading. It will be much stable, okay, using that. Okay. Hi, Fire Signal. Hi. Welcome, ET. Yes, that's my that's my initial. Huh? Okay. So at this point, I'm not selling for pound yen first. Okay, although it looks nice earlier on, but this area is an area that it may set up for a higher support. Okay, it may set up for a higher support. So let it set up for a higher support first. Okay, if it's not breaking through and a new lower support, new lower resistance is coming, then that will be a better choice. Okay, that will be a better choice. So at a lot of time when we are trading, okay, we are looking out for the situation, the current situation. What is the current situation that give us an opportunity to sell? Okay, if it's not, then better don't. Okay, so like you see over here, this is why I say over here, this may be a level of a higher support. So the higher support is created now is going for a higher high. So now it's retesting this support. This resistance again. Am I right? It's retesting the resistance once again. Okay, so please be careful. Okay, right. Yeah, fire signal. Yes. What am I expecting? Now pound yen, nothing to expect. I'm expecting it to retest the resistance first. Okay, I'm waiting for the next hour. We have nothing yet. Okay, no selling signal yet. Okay, but looking at this, the buying signal is still coming soon at this level. So no, nothing for us yet. Okay, nothing for us yet. Okay. So tentatively, guess today if I'm going for selling. I am still waiting for opportunity, but currently there's no opportunity yet. Pound franc is one I'm looking for selling, where I'm waiting for it to test the resistance first. Yeah. General expectation for pound yen. General expectation for pound yen is still a buy first. Okay, still looking for a buy. Then maybe I'm tentatively looking for a pullback on the resistance first. Yeah, so nothing yet. Okay. Yep. Euro yen. Okay, Euro yen. Yes. Over here, Euro yen. Euro yen in the general for now reading at this. Okay, we are still looking for a buy. Okay, so not yet. Euro yen. Okay. For pound yen, okay. Pound yen just now we just talked about it, right? So you're talking about H4 our looking for this. Looking for what? Sorry, I cannot make up that words. Oh, sorry, wrong spelling. Okay, never mind. Okay, no worries. I come back to you. Okay. So there's no contribution because market killers are going same mentality directions. Okay, so at the moment, yeah, I think right now it seems like there's not much yet. Yeah. As we can see, tentatively very clear that one testing on the resistance here, okay, is quite possible over at this point here. All right, and if I'm going to sell, I have to make sure that there's one selling cycle coming in first. Okay, but tentatively I don't see any yet. Okay, yeah, tentatively I don't see anything yet. Right, so for me right now, if now has turned into a buy, I'm waiting for this. You are missing pound franc. Which one? Pound franc. Pound franc. No, just pound franc buying. Are you talking about buying? Okay, and what's more here? Okay. No, pound dollar. Pound dollar, let's take a look. Pound dollar, no, not yet. Yeah. Pound dollar, not yet. So looking at this pound dollar, just now we are talking about this level. Okay. So at this point here, okay, there may be a rejections over here at this point here. So from the resistance over until area that I see that is about 13 pips away, that in this whole area there may be a pullback down here, and then it will start creating another higher support, a higher low. Okay, then it will continue. Okay, where my resistance over here. Okay, so this is where I'm looking out for. This is where I'm looking out for. Then I guess then the resistance will come again. Yep. Okay. Not really. Yes. Yes, Carol. Yeah, I know, but it's fine. Yes. Thank Thank you for your care and concern. Okay. Okay, so tentatively, yep. Right. Looking at this right now, okay, if I'm going to, so this area is a bit too tight. Yeah, it's a bit too tight, this area. Not very promising, I would say. Yeah, it's not very promising. Because at you know, at this point, you know, and as you can see, the buyers are in control. Am I right? Okay, the buyers are in control. So currently, I won't be looking out for this so I'm not no, I'm not looking out for selling yet. ET pounds, I don't have feelings to retest because they got their impulsive direction, especially pound cap, pound franc, pound dollar. Okay. Right. Pound franc might sell off nicely. What do you think? Pound franc might sell off nicely. About there, but I'm looking out for a good entry for selling. I'm still waiting for a good entry for selling first. Tentatively, all right. If we are looking out for a selling, okay. If for me, I wanted to test on the resistance first. Okay, I want to test on the resistance first to see that because of a beginning of the market, it has already a very bullish push to take out the highs. And right now, it seems like it's reaching to this point, okay, whereby the resistance is. So they may be going down to take down the lows. Okay, they may be going down to take out the lows. So pound franc, there's a possibility, but it depends on the situation. Okay, it will still depends on the situation, the current situation. Like now, it seems good. Okay, because of this, I see that you see from here, higher support, buying up. Am I right? So it's a sign of buying. So will there be a lower resistance, a lower low to create a selling signal for us to sell? Okay, so tentatively not there yet. Okay, I'm still waiting for it. Okay, so still waiting for it to come, right? And then, yep. I think still not there. Nothing. Exactly, huh? Yes. Nando, yes. Okay, I have calculated out my. I think I will take your advice for 1.8. Okay, right. Okay, 1.8. Okay, good. But when I say about 1.8, it means one at a time. Okay, it doesn't mean 1.8 for 10 orders. Okay, that's the maximum. Okay, so yes, please take note. Yep. Okay, so for pound dollar, yes, buying is still there. So for sellers like me, not there yet. Okay. Yep. Pound franc. Okay, pound franc. Currently for pound franc, I think I will still be waiting. Okay, another 15 minutes. I think that will be good. Okay. Yes. Right. That's cool. Nice. Exactly. Okay, guys. About 45 minutes has passed. Okay? I need to go to my dream corner. All right. I'm going to my dream corner. Okay. So just give me a while. All right. While waiting for me to come back. Okay. 5-10 minutes. Okay. Please enjoy the video here. All right. Do give me your support. Okay. All right. I will be coming back in about quick 5 minutes break. Okay. I will be back right here. Okay. Quickly. Yes, I will. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Okay. Before the H4 opening. All right. Okay. Since we don't have much. Okay. See you in a short while. Thank you very much. Right, guys, I'm back with you. Right. I better have a gentle vocal when I come back so that I will scare off everyone. Yeah. All right. So yes, thank you for your patience. Okay. And yes, now let's come back here. Okay. So we have another 5 minutes to go. Yes, another 5 minutes to go. Yep. And looks like a pound franc, and let's see. Oh yeah, we are now testing on this resistance right now. Still going. Okay, so still waiting. All right. Hi Isaac, back from campus. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Now pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar tentatively. Okay. I'm looking at this, the rejections here. Okay, so there may be a selling over here. Okay, let's start trading. Isaac, huh? Okay, yes. Okay, so yeah, let's come back here, Okay. Retesting on this, alright. Retesting on this tentatively, and right now we are at the bottom of the resistance area. Okay, so we have this about 24 pips of area over here. So will there be a chance for selling in the next hour? Okay, let's be patient and wait first, because tentatively there isn't any sign of selling yet. Okay, there isn't any sign of selling yet. Okay, so coming soon. Why coming soon? Okay. Yep. All right. So just hang on first. Okay. Let's see. There's a rejections candle. Okay, but then again, there's a rejections candle. Yes. Okay. This tells me, this part will tell me that tentatively is the resistance stance. Okay, it's still holding the price. Okay, but then again, is that when it continue the selling, we need a selling confirmation first. Okay, we need a selling confirmation. Yeah, that's right. We need a selling confirmation. Okay, so right now it's still going back to retest again, test again the resistance. Am I right? Okay, so looks like it's breaking. Okay, so same thing for pound yen. Good. Okay, let it go up first. Okay, continue the buying first. Right. So right now, okay, right now, if I'm going to sell this, okay, we may need to take note. We may need to take note of the space availability. Okay. So if there's a selling opportunity up here from the resistance, I guess we only have about 25 pips. We will only have 25 pips, okay, to sell. So that may be a pullback only, unless what is that? Unless there's a selling signal, then I think today we already have a very good space to sell. Okay. Yep. Currently, no, not yet. Okay, pound franc, yeah, pound franc. The buying is still going strong. Okay. I won't see that. Okay, I won't see that. Okay, let's check again. Okay. Another 1 minute. Okay, seems like it's going for a retesting at the moment. Okay, for pound franc, yeah. Euro, no, what? Aussie yen. Okay, tentatively, let's see. We are heading up for this. Okay, so right now we're looking at this over here. Okay, so near. What is that? Yeah, today seems like it's going to be okay, right? So pound yen, okay, pound yen. Well, this area, just take note, we have about 12 pips to go. Not that ideal yet. For pound dollar, right? Pound dollar, Pound dollar, no, not yet. Pound dollar can be quite risky over here. Okay, why is that so? Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, first of all, we are in the resistance right now. Am I right? Okay. So this area may be a higher support. This area may be a higher support. So that means it may come down for a little while. Okay, so we have about 6 pips away. Then it may start to escalate again. Okay. Alternatively, it may start to break away from this area. Okay, the support here. Then after the retesting, then we will have a good chance to sell down. Okay, we have quite a good space. So I'm willing to wait. Okay. Yes. Not to let this red candle affect me. Okay. Yeah, that's my thoughts. Okay. So tentatively, no, not yet. Yeah, I will prefer to hang on first. If there's another lower resistance coming down here, retest this level. After it touches this support, it may go back and retest this level, right? Or even higher, like this resistance here. Then after that, it started to swing down for lower resistance. Then okay, that's pretty fine. Because as you can see, one here, correct? One level here. Then this level, okay, this level here, it started to form a support. Correct? It started to form a support. So when it started to form a support, retested again, then it started to form a higher support. It's always a buying signal in this case. Okay, in this case, it's a buying support. Yep. Okay, so something to take note. Okay. Yeah. Then at this point here, alright, so very likely it's going to test on the high here. Okay. Then after that, if it's not breaking, then we have a good chance to sell. Alright. Okay, so just pay attention to this, right? And yep, not much today. Nothing much today. Correct, that's right. But it's okay that when there's nothing, okay, we can pay attention to the situation and we can learn the reading of the current situation. Am I right? Okay. Yep. Okay, so at this point here, yep. Seems like now it's going to retest as a support now. Oh yeah, very likely. Okay, if it's coming back, okay, it may be coming back to retest this as a support. So this whole area here, okay, may be a higher support again. Okay, so just take note, be very careful with this. Yep, that's for pound dollar. Yeah, pound yen. Well, pound yen, same thing. Yeah, very nicely built up for the buy. Am I right? Yes, it's very nicely built up for the buy. Okay. Currently, yes, nicely built up for the buy. So since that's the case, we cannot sell. Am I right? Okay. If you are going for a buying, then please be careful with the resistance nearby. Okay. But if you are going for a selling, okay, then just hang on. Okay, be patient. Right. Since that's the case, this is the case over here. For pound yen, I'll be waiting for it to break the support here. Okay, break away from this level, retest, then selling signal come, then I will take action. Yep. Pound dollar will be this area here. Okay, we still have about 10 pips away. I wouldn't let FOMO take over me just to go in and then grab that 10 pips, because inclusive of the spread or commission that you're having is actually very tight. Okay, it's actually very tight, right? Okay. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay, so just need to pay attention to this. Don't allow it to actually take your emotion to have the right. Okay. Yep. Looking at about this for this for pound yen. Okay, pound yen will have very good about 50. Okay, if I want the 50, if I'm looking into a 50 pips of profits over here, then I want to make sure that it actually comes in. Okay, it actually comes in so that over at this point here, when it comes into the area where it show me a more possible chance of selling, then I will start selling. Then there will be a good chance for it coming back for a 50 pips. Okay. Yep, but not now. Not now. This is not the time yet. Yeah, pound dollar not yet. Pound dollar is still on the move. If you are scalping towards the buy, okay, but still have to take a look where the resistance is. Okay, still take a look. Please take a look at where is the resistance will be. Okay. At the moment here, after this, yeah, it's going back to retest the high. As you can see, it's going back to retest the high. Yes, exactly. No, I don't think so. Better not to. Yep. I will wait for it to retest the high first. Okay, then I will see what it will go, what it will form. What is the current situation there first? 12 pips, about 12, you will meet up with one resistance over here, which may slow down a bit. It may have some pullback. So after the pullback, okay, then we will assess whether it should go for a buy or should I go for a selling. Yes. And yep. No. Tentatively, no. Buying, no. There are. Okay, I have a message here to buy. Okay, for pound dollar. Okay, to scalp it. Okay, I would say that not worth that risk. Okay, you have to assess. You have to assess the risk. Okay, you have to assess the risk. Okay, pound yen. Okay, pound yen over here. Pound yen. Pound yen tentatively. By looking at this point here, it seems like it's still testing on the resistance here. Okay, so this level still going for this level of resistance. Okay, so if this resistance can hold, that means to say we can see a high, lower high, and then there will be another lower high. So another lower high around this area. Then from there, then I think there will be a better area for us to actually sell. Yes, it may come in the second half of the day. Yes. Yeah. Earlier on, we were saying that today we may have quite a few currency pairs that may come on the second half of the day. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yes. Tentatively, I won't be looking at the highs here because for the fact that it is actually coming down as a selling. Okay. Looking at the trend here, the trend over at this point here, we are still in the selling. So by looking at this, since we are in the selling, okay, tentatively, I would say that we are still good to sell, but it's just that where is the point to sell? Okay, we have to look out for the right point to sell. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so by looking at now, is it slowing down? Seems like okay, but then again the resistance is there. I'm still waiting. Pound dollar. You're talking about pound dollar. Oh, sorry. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar right now. Pound dollar, no, I don't see any. Okay, not yet. Yeah. Okay, if I'm going to put in H1, as you can see right now, H1. Okay, we are actually testing on this level. Am I right? Testing on this level. Well, this level was last week high. Okay, last week level, correct? So right now, it's still testing on this level to take out the high from take out the highs over here. Okay, this whole level. Can you see? Okay, this whole level here. Right. So this level, yes. So currently, if we are looking at this, okay, this may be one of the very strong resistance that we are looking out for. Okay. ADR for GJ is 150 pips and it has already moved about 125. So today, not much potential. Even sell it. Currently, yes, Jay, you are right. Jay, are you in New Zealand now? It's breaking. Yep. Currently, it seems like it's breaking this. Okay, so yeah, it seems like it's breaking this. Okay. Pound yen. Okay, so still waiting. Okay, still waiting for that. So tentatively, still I'm home and off for 2 weeks. Oh, I see. That's nice. Okay, so I believe I will see you here in 2 weeks. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so seems like you are a pilot, huh, Jay? I guess you are a pilot. Okay, so currently at this point here, yes, just hang on, wait for it to see how it goes. Last month covered over 85,000 miles. Wow. Okay. That's very long distance. Okay. Avonix actually. Avonix. Let me see, what is that? Avonix. One, two. Oh, avionic. Oh, okay. So engineer. I see. Okay. Okay, and Isaac was saying that my point of interest to sell at GU 121. 121. Let's see, 121. Okay. 121. 06 here. 121.06. Okay, so it's about around here. Yeah. Okay. Well, okay, then currently, okay, looking at this, right? now the buyer is in control, am I right? Okay, so if there's another retesting over at this level here, okay, on the top part here, where you can see another buying signal, okay, I guess this is still a good buy because currently by looking at this level, okay, we still have about another 25 to 30 pips buying. Yeah, for buying. Sellers has nothing to do now. Euro dollar still, yes, still on the buy. Okay, so at the moment yeah, nothing. Okay, yeah, sometimes it experience some boredom. Yeah, it's boring here. Sometimes it may for a trader, if you are like me, if I'm sellers, okay, now it's escalating, so there's nothing for me to sell, so it can be very boring, but it's fine. Okay, the important part is that I did not enter a selling right now, and it's going against me, you know, and end of the day, then I'll be suffering the losses there. So at the moment, I'm okay, I'm fine, you know, sitting outside of the trade, you know, out of a trade, watching it move upwards, and I was just focusing to wait when will be the good time. When it hits on the resistance, then I start selling from there. Yeah. Yes, that's right. It's better than, you know, I have a trade inside and it's going against me, you know, it's very, very headache. You have a lot of pain, you know, you're suffering in pain when the price is going against you. So yeah, it's fine, it's okay. Yeah, exactly. So that's right. So yes, tentatively by looking at this pound dollar, right? You're looking at pound dollar. So last week we actually hover around the one whole week. We hover around this area, correct? Over around this area, and it is still not breaking below it to sell yet. Then tentatively still looking for a buy. Okay, last week I was in the Mandarin channel. I was saying that, you know, when you know around when the price is still above here, okay, we are still looking out for a buying. Okay, I'm still looking out for a buying. So and I wanted to wait for it to break this level before I go for a selling. So of course, along the way, if there's a selling opportunity, the pullback, yes, of course you can. However, just be very careful. What kind of strategy should we be using, okay, before we enter for a trade? Okay. Right, I'm down 1% for today. This month up 7%. Okay. So in general, overall, Isaac, you are still making profit. Am I right? Okay. Pound Aussie. Hi, Victor. Victor, where are you from, Victor? Okay. And Pound Aussie. Okay. Tentatively, I'm looking out for a buy. Okay. Tentatively, I'm looking for a buy. So at this point here, it's set up for support. Okay. Then it's now coming back here. Retracing downwards the pullback here, and for now I will see that from the support here going up for higher support, which is a higher low right now today. Okay, so I'm still looking for a buy. Right, Victor from Nigeria, I see. All right. Oh, nice. Okay, so at this point for Pound Aussie, right, after it has tested the support, okay, I believe there are people who already started to buy. Okay, so at this point here, I'm still looking for buying. But for Pound Aussie, okay, we are right in the middle right now. Okay, in the middle. Okay, so at this point here, it may go either way. Okay, but then against the buying in the general, okay, I'm still looking for buying for in general. Yep. Okay, you're most welcome. Okay, you're most welcome. All right. So yes, looking out for Pound dollar. Yes, what can I do with pound dollar? Pound dollar tested the resistance level. Okay, tested on the resistance level. So looking for selling. Okay, looking for selling. Now like this. If you're looking for selling right now for pound dollar, I would say that you have about 15 pips, around 15 pips, around 1.5. Okay, and then we may have another round of higher support, higher lows around this area. Okay, yeah. Can scalp it, but then again is that still not ready yet. Okay, although we have the space, but not ready to scalp yet. As it pulls further away, it gives us more pips for selling. Yes. Tentatively, I'm still looking at this point here, where now has escalated up to about 85. Isn't a bit risky to sell? Yes, it is. It's not ready yet. We are just talking about the space available right now, but it's not ready to sell. Yeah. Okay. Yes, May. Thank you. That's a good point to point out. Okay. So, at this point, they'll be thinking, wow, it's coming down, should I sell? No. Okay, it is still quite risky to sell. The space, firstly, let's talk about the space. The space to where it is now here, you may have 16 pips. But this area is a higher support area. This area is a higher support area where the price may come here and stop around this area and create a buying signal to go for higher high. Okay, so that you can see all this buying, am I right? So there isn't selling yet. Nothing. So this may be the pullback. This may be the initial part that the bull is exhausting, trying to change the trend into bear. Okay, but then again is that this is not there yet. Okay, it's not there yet. Right? Yeah, so we have to wait. Yep. Pound yen, I think pound yen almost the same. Okay, let's take a look. Pound yen, as you can see, is nicely built up, am I right? Yeah, so tentatively it is not there yet as well. No, not for me. Because this area, okay, this area is where this area, okay, we have about, this is about 20, alright, 20 pips. I would say that this 20 will be a pullback. Yeah, pound dollar is also okay, but pound dollar over here to here, we only have about 10 to 12. This is tight. Okay, the space is tight. Okay, it's really tight. Pound yen is better in terms of pullback. Pound yen will be better in terms of pullback. If you are trading pullback, okay, if you are trading pullback. Okay, yeah. So you got to know. Yes, you got to know. When you assess the space, then you will be able to tell, okay, what kind of a strategy should I apply? Okay. For gold trading, alright, gold. Well, gold is going on the buy side now. Okay, so gold has already bought, and I think tentatively not there yet. You have about 1474. Okay. Yep. 147. Order flow for gold, you still have 147 of buying opportunity. Okay, 147 pips. Okay, so yeah. No, no. Let's wait for a retesting first. Okay, not yet there. Pound dollar, no, not yet there. You are always calm and patient. Okay, have to. I mean, over the time, then you realize that there's no point for the anxiety. But the anxiety may even bring you with more losses. That's all, right? Order flow, yes, you are welcome. You are welcome. Okay, so pound yen, yeah, still not there yet. The space is there, but the selling signal is not there. Yes, since if the selling signal is not there, I will always say that it's not worth taking the risk. Yeah, especially like pound dollar. Earlier on, we are talking about pound dollar. Am I right? Pound dollar, we only have merely about 10 to 12 pips. Then I think it's not worth taking that risk. Where there's no space. Secondly, there's no selling signal. Okay, so if I'm going to scout for a pullback like this, it is not very ideal. Yeah, exactly. That's why. Okay, so you have to assess. Yeah, we have to assess the current situation. You know, then we will be able to see whether it is good. It is good to scout. Okay, or it is good to go for longer pips, more pips. Okay, yeah. Okay, yep. That's right. So at the moment, okay, over here, I will prefer to wait. Okay, for example, there are some people who want to wait for a selling signal. Okay, you can actually wait for things like a double top. Okay, a double top, a lower resistance. Okay, all this. Okay, you do know double top. Okay, double top. So then maybe a flow down. Okay, then it went up to retest the high here. Okay, then there's a sometimes there's a wick up there. Am I right? Okay, as long as your top, the double top over here, when it close, it don't close above the wick. Okay, it's still, that means to say it's still inside it's still within the wick, and that's okay. Okay, then you will see one selling off. Okay, yeah. All right, Euro franc, buy major support weekly chart. Can we buy now? Euro franc over here, weekly chart over here. Huh? For Euro franc, okay, buy is possible, but again, is that the buy has already started. Started here, okay. So at this point here, okay, the buying is possible, but it has already ran for quite a while. Okay, it ran for quite a while. So if I'm going to buy for Euro franc, okay, then likely I'll be waiting for another opportunity, a pullback first. Okay. Yeah. That's for Zodiac FX. Okay. Euro dollar might sell 123.35. Euro-dollar. You're welcome, Zodiac. Zoom out on weekly. Okay. $102,335. Okay, sell here. Based on this. Okay, 10335 around here. Okay. I think for this have to wait for a while first because tentatively if you're looking at this, okay, that means to say right now it actually has a false breakout. Seems like it's a false breakout. Whether is it a false breakout, let's see whether it will come back below to retest this level. Okay, then with a new selling, then there will be a good chance. If not, this may retest as a support to continue the buying. Okay, right? That's for Jason. Yeah, that's for Jason. What about selling franc yen? Seems like head and shoulder is forming. Franc yen. Franc yen. Oh, I don't have franc yen. Okay, franc yen seems like a head and shoulder. Let me check. Do you mean selling? As for franc yen, I think buying is highly possible. Okay, for franc yen, buying is still on the move than selling. Okay, tentatively. Okay, by looking at this, then as for selling, I think quite a short term. Yes, why is that? July 13 to current date, yes. At this 13 July here, okay, over here, correct. Okay, so tentatively, oh, I don't see that. Buying is still possible. For now, by looking at this franc yen, okay, buying is still possible. Okay. So no selling for this first. Yeah, that's right. Okay, correct. Okay, so right now pound dollar, right? Pound dollar, we are now coming back for retesting over here. So if it actually can break into the resistance, then we may have a chance to sell. If not, okay, this is a buying signal that may continue the buying. Okay, it may still going for buying, right? It may still going for buying. So just take note. So at least you know, guys, whenever, okay, when we are reading, okay, we got to be very careful by assessing the current situation. What do I mean by assessing the current situation? All right, okay. So as I go, all right, as I go in and explain what do I mean by assessing the situation here. So guys, do remember to smash a like button to show your appreciation for the effort behind the videos. If you are still on the sideline, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, all right, so that we are here, we can voice your view, we can discuss together, all right, so that we can take profit together as well. Okay, so yes, over here, the situation here, as we can see, we are now buying, correct? Why buying? Because sellers sell down, buyers come in to continue to buy at a higher price, to buy at a higher price, to buy at a higher price. Okay, so this is something that where I see over at this point here. Okay, still buying, am I right? So we are buying towards the resistance. So buying towards the resistance, what does that mean? That's a sign of buying. Buyers are still buying at a higher price, still very optimistic towards this pound against the dollar. So they are still buying. So the strength is still buying. So that is still very good. Okay. Yeah. All right. All-time high 55 viewers. Thank you, Isaac. All right. Okay. So yes. So now buyers over here, we are still buying now. So tentatively, okay, it seems like this resistance cannot hold. Am I right? We cannot hold the buyers. So that means to say we are going for a higher resistance. All right. But anyway, we are in this resistance area. We are still in the area, the zone here. So tentatively still on the side of buying. Okay. No selling opportunity yet. Okay, so even though at times that we may see that there are times that we are actually coming in for selling, but then again is that will there be a good chance for us to sell? But situation shows that buyers are still in the trade. Then why are we selling? Correct? We shouldn't sell. So at this point, try not to sell yet. Okay, we'll try to wait, and we'll try to wait and see if there's any chance of selling. Okay, when the selling pattern is selling down, then very likely we are going for a sell. Okay, so this is something there. Okay, we need to take note. Okay, any trades taken today earlier on? Yeah, earlier on. All right, I think earlier on there are some profits. Okay, like Pound Frank by Caro, correct? Okay, taking a buy trade, I think. Yeah. Okay, so right now, no, not yet. Everything is actually going against us for now. Yeah, so tentatively nothing yet. Okay, tentatively there's nothing yet. Okay, so yep. Okay, so in this case, okay. Yeah, Victor, yes, please can you draw out the scenario you would like to see on the pound dollar to sell? Okay, so at this point here, first of all, now we are still escalating for pound dollar to sell, am I right? Let's say in this area, okay, in this area. So in this area over here, all right, this area here, then looking at this point here, by looking at this here, I want it to touch on the resistance level first. So let's say in the M5 over here, I smaller, okay. So I would want to see, this is buying, am I right? So I want it to hit on here, okay. Then over at this point here, we are looking for a selling. So that means I want the green, okay, a lower high, okay. When there's a lower high, okay, yes, that will, after retested with a lower high, that will be a good sign. That will be a good sign that I'm going to start selling, right? That will be a good sign that I'm going to start selling. Yeah. Adam Chan, where are you from? Adam Chan, nice to see you here. Right, so right now, okay, seems like we are going to test the resistance. Yeah, I think it's good, okay, because right now we are in the middle and the resistance may not come in yet. Okay, I want the selling like this, okay, over here, okay, Victor. Okay, once it tested on the resistance, started to sell down, right, and you see escalated up to form a new selling resistance again. Okay, but this resistance is lower than the previous one. Okay, so this is where I'm going for. Well, this is where I'm going for. Okay, after this. Okay, so there's a resistance, a lower resistance compared to the previous one. Then I will be looking out for selling. Okay, yep. All right, Adam. Yes, I'm from Singapore. I am from Malaysia. You? I'm from Singapore. Yes, nice to see you here. We are neighbors. All right. So at the moment for pound dollar, allow you to test on the resistance first. Okay. After testing the resistance, every resistance I will always pay attention. Okay. To check if there's a chance. For me to actually to sell. Okay, when it form a lower resistance, or else it may still be retesting or break the resistance, and it may not be as good. Yeah, I'm talking a lot about this resistance support. Am I right? Because of the current situation, but in other, maybe we will start to see how it goes, right? How long did it take you to get profitable? How long did it take you to get profitable? Right? It depends on individual. Okay, I'm a slow learner, so I took about four full-time years. Yeah, 4 full years. Yeah, about that. 4 years plus to 5. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It depends. Maybe you're good, alright? Maybe you are good, then maybe you only need about 1 year, or maybe less than that. Yeah, okay. It depends on individual. But for me, yeah, about 4 plus to 5. I have a very torturing 34 months initially. Initial part. Oh, I have really very bad 34 months. That was crazy. Okay. Yeah, but once you got it, okay, once you got the hang of it, and it should be very fast. Okay. Okay, so yeah, times really flies and really fast. Okay, that is so fast. Every day I will be here for 3 hours, starting from the starting of the UK hours. In MT4 time, okay, 0800, I will be here to analyze out, okay, to analyze my trades. So guys, if you have not seen that yet, okay, you want to you would like to take a look, okay, at my videos or earlier on the earlier videos, all right. And subsequently, I will be coming in after that session. They'll be coming into this session UK, right, for 3 hours. Then after that, okay, I will see you tomorrow. Okay, so we are left with about 50 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. Okay, so what do you think of brokers like Wender and CMC markets? All right, I would say that every brokers will have their own strength. Okay, they have their own strength. So it depends on which one that suits your preference. Okay, that will greatly help you. Okay, that will greatly help you. People may some may actually go for some like Wender or CMC. Okay, definitely if you're asking me comparing Wender to CMC, I think you have to compare apple to apple. Okay, I think that will be better. All right, if I compare to apple to orange, I think that will be that is going to be kind of difficult to compare, right? Okay, So so as I see, okay, as I see for myself, okay, I'm with Vantage Markets, okay. I know a lot of people in Malaysia, they are looking for zero spread, okay, or very low spread, and that's the key point that they are looking out for. But the thing is that a lot of people doesn't know that actually it doesn't mean that low spread is a good broker. Okay, it doesn't mean that. It also means that broker are trading against you. You are trading against the broker. So you fight each other. Okay, so that's one. Okay, that's one thing that you have to know. Okay, all right. But then again, some people may be attracted by the low spread, but then they doesn't know that in fact they are actually giving commission. So each trade you have to pay commission. So by calculating the commission and the low spread, in fact, okay, it is higher than it is higher than what you're looking for. Okay, try Hot Forex. Okay, yes, okay. I'm with Hot Forex too. Okay, for since 2016, I think, or 14. 2014, yeah, about 2014 or 2016, I can't remember, around there until now. Okay, so I will, but now I'm quite active with Vantage. Okay, Vantage International. Yeah, you can click the link below. Okay, and I'll find out more. Right, so it depends on why why do you want to choose that particular broker. Okay, right. Okay, so some people in Malaysia, I know that in Malaysia culture is that they provide like a signal. You know, like me, I'm myself in Malaysia, I provide education. Yeah, so it depends on why do you choose that broker. Okay, yeah, so it depends. Yep, just like me. Okay, I have a group, I have a Facebook group that actually if you open an account, you are free to join us in the group. The group I'll be hosting my education there. Okay. Oh, nowhere. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so you can join us. Okay, you can join me in my Malaysia group for education, and I will be coming in to teach. Okay, yeah, so all this, yeah, so that's one that I will be why you want to open an account with us. That's all. So it largely depends on the situation. Okay, largely depends on the situation there. Okay, yeah, right. Okay, so yeah. I think that's for today. I think pretty much on the buying side. Am I right? It's pretty much on the buying side. For pound yen, let's take a look. Okay, let's see pound yen. Okay, pound yen still there. Pound yen. Still moving here very steadily, and not much we can see. Right, there's not much we can see over here right now. Still moving. It's still moving. Yeah, yes. Hi Melissa. Go. Just now we are talking about over here. Okay, does Vantage have an office in Singapore? Vantage have an office in Singapore. Okay, let's take a look at the gold. Go over here right now. Okay. The gold we are looking out for buy. Okay, Melissa. Tentatively looking at buying for about one. Okay, 1734 to about 1740. 1740. Okay, still now the gold is on the pullback. Now the gold is on the pullback. All right, so 1744, which I just mark out. Okay, which I mark out, and but I think 1740 is still quite safe. 1740, right? Okay. Adam Chan, right? Adam Chan. Sorry, did I answer your question? Advantage have an office in Singapore. Yes. Okay. Yep. And Pound Yen and EU. Sell Pound Yen EU now. Pound Yen. Pound Yen. Selling, you have about selling. I think you may experience about 20 pips of space. 20. But then you may have experience a support, turbulent support there to create another higher support. Okay, so just take note. Okay, may have a chance. Okay, we have a 20 pips, but just take care of this level here. It may comes with a higher support. I will wait for this level. Okay, I'll wait for this level first. Retest. Okay, just let me put this over here. It breaks here first. The price come back here. Retest again. Then I will start selling. I think that would be much better. Okay, not now. Now it's not very good yet. Okay, EU. Take the EU. Euro dollar, no, not yet. Euro dollar, not yet. I don't encourage a selling now. Perhaps next hour. Euro dollar, perhaps next hour, because right now it's actually retesting the resistance that it has broken. Okay, if it's coming back below the resistance level, then this may form as a false breakout. Then retest this level at 102331. 102331 around here. Then with a new selling signal, then I will sell. Right? If you are going to enter a selling now, you may get wiped out. Okay, you may get wiped off here, so be careful. Okay, high attraction. Pound yen. Let's go to pound yen again. Has broke out a trend line and is on pullback for retest. Yes, that's right. Pound yen. Yes, exactly. Pound yen is actually making a pullback now. Why don't you use a trading view? I am using a trading view on the other side of my screen here. Okay, so on this side here, because majority are still using MT4, so let's use MT4 for comfort. Okay, for comfort viewing. Yeah, right. All right. Over here. Over at this point here is, yes, we are still now on the retesting. Okay, we are still now on the retesting here. So tentatively, still not there to sell yet. Okay, please don't sell pound yen first. If you are grabbing, like say after you retested here to here, it's somehow a pullback. Okay, so tentatively no yet. Yep. Okay. What is your win rate? What is my win rate, guys? And if I tell you 100%, do you believe me? No, just a joke. Okay, no, just joking. All right. So basically, okay. So far, okay, I'm basing on the year to year. I think I'm still running about 80 plus. Yep. It depends. It depends on yeah. It depends on what kind of strategy. If you have some people may have lower win rate, okay, but they have a higher profits. Am I right? Okay, yeah. And right now, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Let's take a look. Pound dollar, same thing. Okay, pound dollar, same thing. As we can see, the buyers are in control right now, correct? So I'm waiting for a chance whereby the sellers are in control. So when the sellers comes in, okay, I will always assess. First of all, first thing first, seller must come in first. Okay, sellers come in, then okay, then again, when it started to sell down into the market, then we will start to see, okay, we'll start to see the seller comes in and we can start to sell, and then there will be a good time that we are entering into the seller's trend with the sellers in control. Then okay, then that will be good. All right. But I'm looking for buys. Haha. Since it has broke the trend line. Okay. Yeah. You can. Okay. Yes. For GJ, am I right? For Pound Yen, yes. Like now. Okay. Like now. Okay. If now we tested as retested here, and I see that another 3 minutes to go. Okay. Then if there's a buying signal, yes, you can go for a buy. Yeah, it's now in control for buying, so buying is still there. Okay, still good for buying. Yep. Okay. How news is coming? Okay, right. Oh, just hang on. Okay. Okay, guys who are new to me, all right. Who are new to me, I'm a seller. So when it comes to buying, there's nothing for me. I will stay away. All right. And also I will be going live 3 hours in UK time. Okay, UK hours. So the first 3 hours. Okay, so that I can, because I injured my vocal before, so I have to take care of it. So I will come back. Okay, I will come back the next day in MT4 0800 hours to analyze out. Okay, to analyze out what am I going to focus today. All right. So then I will go for a trade. Okay. Yep. Yes. Right. And that is one. Okay. Then why do you only sell? I will sell. There are many people who are asking this question. All right. Okay. I have a video talking about why do I only sell. Okay, basically, okay, why I sell is because, okay, I only wanted to, I only trade in one direction, so that in my learning journey, okay, so basically I get so confused, you know, when buying and selling. Okay, so I sent in a link, okay, right below in the chat, so you can check it out. Okay, why am I selling? So basically, when it comes to selling market, right? When there's a little negative news, the whole market tumble. Okay, so it's faster. Okay, so when I tell you economy is recovering, you don't believe me. Since 2008, Malaysia is doing good, it's very good, all the way until 2022. Right now, you still don't believe me, am I right? But Malaysia is really growing. So there's a lot of things, there's a lot of things that when people are talking about it's time to buy shares, people don't believe. Just like when I shared in 2020, I think August, I said I'm going in to buy Pfizer. People are saying, are you sure Pfizer it works? Will Pfizer will Pfizer or Moderna work for this COVID-19? You know, a lot of questions. By the time they decided to buy, okay, the price was at about 38.40, but I bought it in at 29. So you see, this is why I sell. When I sell, I say, oh, COVID is coming, nobody can fly. Okay, all the tourism board will drop. So it's very fast. So selling is better to me. That's for me only. Okay, you can have another thoughts. Okay. I learned a lot of things from you. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Sanjeev. Thank you very much. It's just my little sharing. Okay, my sharing. I just created this playlist. Okay, so to share how I actually when I was in the beginner, when I started to learn that 34 in fact at 34 months. Wow, that's really bad. Okay, so at that point, then I think back how I overcome, and I give some solutions, some ideas. Yeah, that helped me to become a full-time trader until now. So that's why I share. Yeah, I hope that helps all of you. Appreciate that, Sanjeev. Negative news for pound. Okay, negative news for pound. So is there any movement? Right now, no movement. Nothing. Am I right? Okay. Not yet, huh? CBI, yeah. Order expectation, actual 8, forecasted 13. Aha, really? Oh, see. Okay. It's fine. Just hang on, yeah. DJ buy on 164. Okay, 164. How do you see that, bro? If a flip happens, wouldn't it be in favor of buyers? Right now, I will be saying that buying is still in favor. Right now, buying is still in favor. I will say that buying is still in favor, unless it breaks below. Unless it breaks below to form a retesting, then the seller is coming in. That will be a sign that I will be seeing that sellers are coming in. Previous was 18. Wow, that's very bad. Oh, but tentatively there isn't any big action yet. Okay. So not yet. Let's take a look at pound franc. Pound franc has tested our resistance here. Okay, tested the resistance here. So looks like pound franc will be the first one to sell. Pound franc looks like will be the first one to sell off. Okay, but pound franc, guys, if you are looking for pound franc to sell, I see that there may be a chance for a 13 pips, not a lot. Okay. 1, 2. From here, 23. Range market today, and most of the pairs are moving against the larger time frame. Yeah. I think we are all into a preparation for the 27 July. Okay, that's where the interest rate. Okay, FOMC. Okay, so I think many currency are taking precautions now. You know, so probably perhaps this today it may be a little bit dry. You know, we need some booster. Pound franc tentatively, if after it breaks the level here, I see that we have about 20 pips to go. All right, 20 pips to go. So you can work around there for pound franc. Okay. Yes. So pound yen tentatively, it is still there for a buy. Okay, unless it breaks this level, retest again, then we may have a good 35 pips to go, a good 35 pips to go, or even it can go up to about a 97. That means a very bearish sell. Okay, for here, tentatively, so it is still around there. buying is not there yet, selling is not coming, so pound yen is nothing there, right? Pound dollar, let's take a look at pound dollar before I go, right? Because I have another session in another 2 hours time. Okay, so yep, I have to get myself prepared. So for pound dollar, tentatively by looking at this pound dollar, we are actually escalating to test on the next the previous high. So at this point here, still on the buying side. The buy is still going on. There's no selling signal once again. So currently pound dollar, okay, at this point, if you can see, all right, this point here, if this resistance going to hold, I guess we will be coming back to the support. So whereby we can see quite a big move, about 100 pips. Okay, 100 pips for pound dollar, right? So we can take note if this is if the resistance still able to hold, if this resistance still able to hold for this, okay, right? EU is selling. EU euro dollar looks like it is one. Okay, over here, like good. Our selling cycle is coming in. Okay, well, euro dollar. Well, euro dollar selling now, it will give about a space of 25 pips around there. Less off my 25%, I should take about 20. I should take about 20 pips, 18 to 20 pips. Okay, so currently, if euro dollar yeah, from here, okay, from here, euro dollar, please be careful first, euro dollar. Okay, now it seems like we have a lower resistance. We have a lower resistance, correct, over this area. But this lower resistance is going to test on this first, or test on this level first. Okay, whereby this level is the resistance that become a support. Okay, so over at this point, you are left with about 18 pips. Okay, about 18 pips. So euro dollar, okay, euro dollar, if I'm going to enter here, it may hit on the support and bounce back again for a higher high. So this part here, please be very careful. Okay, please be very careful with this. Okay, Jason, right? Okay, I guess that should be all for today, and I got to go, guys. So yes, I'll be back tomorrow. Yes, I'll be back tomorrow. Today is a dry day, nothing, right? Okay, so it's okay, and as long as we are not putting in a trade and wait for TP or waiting for SL, I think that's good. Okay, it's okay. Sometimes when you are trading, you may experience very boring day, a straight line, nothing to see, then that's fine. Okay, right? So what most important is that, okay, we are able to pay the patient. Okay, patience is very important. Okay, all right. So guys, I shall see you tomorrow, 0800 MT 4 hours, and I will start my analyzing work. Then after that, followed by another one that will be UK hour over here. All right, 3 hours. So basically from GMT plus 83 to 6. Okay, so yeah, the rest of you, I wish the rest of you in a different time zone, okay, thank you for your time. Some wake up real early, okay, some really putting effort to stay up through the nights. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so that is one that I really appreciate that. Okay, and also yes, remember to appreciate my video by giving me a thumbs up, smash the like button, and if you are still at the sideline there, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, I have a playlist, okay, that I have just created. So in early this year, so I'm still working on for more to share all the little details that how I become a full-time trader. So I hope it helps you. So do remember to give me a support by watching them, and also give you some ideas on how I actually become a full-time trader. What are the things that for you to look out for? All right. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much, and I shall see you tomorrow. Thank you guys. See you again.